Hello, Nadine here, and today I'm participating in the Pink and Main giveaway video hop. There will be a chance to win a $25 gift certificate from Pink and Main, and further on in my video I will give you more information on how you can win that gift certificate. So these are the products I'm going to be using from Pink and Main. I'm going to be using this stamp set. It's called Need to Venti. You can see all those cute stamps on there. And then I'm also going to be using the matching dies that go with it. So for my card, I'm going to be making a Slimline card. So the card base itself is 8.5 by 7. So when it's folded in half, this is 3.5. And then I cut a 2-inch wide strip that is also 8.5 of craft cardstock that will fit right on the front. So the first thing I'm going to do is with this craft piece right here, I'm going to use the little stamp, or the little stamps, the little leaves and the acorn. So I'm first just going to lay the leaves out, like as if they're falling. And then I'm going to stamp them with some VersaMark. And then I'm going to continue to keep doing that down the card, or down the piece here. I am going to continue to keep stamping all the way down, but before I get too far, I'm going to use some copper embossing powder over those. Okay, so there it all is, all stamped out. The copper embossing powder. And then next, just using some white cardstock here, I'm going to stamp out, I think, this one and that coffee. I'm going to stamp those with VersaMark as well. We'll also be embossing them with the copper embossing powder. So now, using my Derwent Procolour pencils, I am going to color in those images. Now, I am not a professional colorer, so I'm just going to wing it here and speed up my video so I don't bore you too much. Okay, after I colored them in, I went ahead and die cut them out. So there they are. Okay, so now I am going to take the sentiment Need to Venti and a few of the leaves. I'm going to stamp them out on some white cardstock with using my VersaMark, and again I will be embossing them with the copper embossing powder. Okay, I die cut out the leaves, and I also cut down the sentiment so it's 2 inches wide, so it'll fit the the front of that. So now I am going to start assembling my card. I am also using, this is a piece of Rinea foiled paper. This is their glossy copper. You can see it's copper on one side and it is gold on the other. So I'm going to be using that. So I'm going to use my Xyron Mega Runner here. And the foiled paper I cut at 2 1/4 inches wide, so it's just a little bit wider than the first strip I did. Now I'm just going to take a piece of twine and using a glue dot, using my Mega Runner again. So using some 3D foam squares, I'm going to attach the sentiment down. And then I'm going to use my Xyron Create sticker here and these little leaves. I'm going to put some adhesive on the back of them. I also added some 3D foam squares onto the back of my coffee cup. Okay, here is my finished card. So there it is, and if you are wanting to win that $25 gift certificate to Pink & Main, all you have to do is 2 things. First thing you have to do is comment on my video down below, and then down in my description box there is a Rafflecopter link. You just need to click on that and fill out that. So those 2 things, to comment and fill out the form at the Rafflecopter, and then you will be entered into the $25 gift certificate drawing for Pink & Main. And then to keep hopping along into the video hop, I also have the next person's link down below, also in the description, to go to the next video. Thanks a lot for stopping by. If you enjoyed my video, please give me a thumbs up, and I would love for you to subscribe to my channel as well. See you next time. Bye-bye.